Alright, hello, welcome. My name is Jason Welsh, and welcome to 3D modeling for 3D print. I'm bringing this into my channel. For those individuals, I've had a lot of people reach out to me and they're like, what are you doing? How are you making all this stuff? So I want to share with you a class I put together for free on YouTube for people that want to get started with 3D modeling, in the hopes and support for those individuals that have questioned me, like, where do I begin? Okay, so this might be a little outside of the electroforming, but this is how I'm doing some of the 3D printing that I'm doing in my electroforming. I've been actually an instructor for 3D modeling for about 20 years inside a classroom, and I've taught everything from game design to 3D modeling and animation. So it's in texture rendering and lighting even. So I've been using all those skills that I've learned in the past now into what I've been producing in my electroforming stuff. So that's what this series is all about. For those individuals that want to get started, I really want you to just donate this information to the community so they can get started. Someday I might have another class that's not free, but for right now I'm pretty sure that I just want to get people addicted to this drug called 3D print. So hopefully this is a good launching pad for that. So I hope you enjoy the series and have a good one.